Greetings, everyone. I'm Betsy Lockhart, an instructor at the Montessori Education Center of the Rockies in Denver, Colorado, formerly Boulder, Colorado. At the Montessori event this year, I'll be talking about taking squaring to the next dimension. Now, I'm not talking about taking a physical two-dimensional square to a third dimension to make it a cube. We have plentiful lessons in our bag of tricks already on squaring and square root, cubing and cubed root, both concrete and abstract. Instead, what I'm talking about is taking the lessons that begin with squaring from the numerical dimension into the algebraic dimension. And so we'll be looking at some exciting things that I've discovered about how you can use golden beads to multiply binomials like the ones you see on the screen. We'll take that from the concrete all the way through to the abstract. And then we'll look at how you can factor quadratics in the same way, beginning with golden beads and taking it all the way through to the abstract. So I hope to see you at the Montessori event this year.